Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you briefly how to connect your Cpanel email to Gmail. Right, let's say you want to add your Cpanel email to your Gmail so that you can check the mail from Cpanel. This is how you can get it done easily. Right, so one thing you want to do first is check the configuration of your Cpanel mail. So to do that, once you log into your Cpanel, you want to come to webmail home. Right, so you come to webmail home, or from your Cpanel you can go to connect. It's a configure mail, that's what you're looking for. So you click on that and you scroll down here, you see this information. Right, for example, the email address is test. That will be the email address that you are trying to connect. Then the incoming server and outgoing server, you will see it might not be the domain name, like in this case might be another URL, but you will see the correct information here. All right, so after confirming that information, what you want to do is go to your Gmail account. Once you are logged into your Gmail, then you want to click on settings. You see the settings icon here, click on it, and when that drop down you will see all settings. So you want to click on see all settings and wait for that to open. And once that open, you will see this account and import. So you want to click on account and import and scroll down, you will see the section send mail as. This section send mail as. Now under the send mail as, you will see add another email address. So you want to click on that. Now once you click on that, you want to choose the name that should be assigned to the mail. For example, we're just going to say test company. That will be the name of your company or your name, depending on the Cpanel you are trying to add. Then to be sure, you got to come here and grab the email address, which is this right email address. You already know that, so you just come here, grab the email address. You want to come to this window and paste the email address there and click next. When you click next, you will see this configuration, but because the SMTP server here says that it is just the domain name, so that's what you copy. In your own case, it will be your domain name or another URL, but wherever you see here, that's what you're going to copy. Then you're going to head to the Gmail, or you can just stay there and open this window and paste that here. Remove whatever is here and paste this here. Now after pasting this here, what you want to do is enter the full email address here, which is test at this. Right now, the next thing you want to do is enter the password to your mail. So I want to grab the password from here, which is this that I'm using for this lesson. Now you got to paste the password here. Once you paste the password, leave the port as it is. Then you want to click add, and remember this, leave this as a secure connection using TLS recommend. Just leave it the way it is. Then you want to click add account. Now when you click add account, a code will be sent to the email address. You see Google have sent a code to the email address to enable you to verify that you are the owner of the mail. All right, so what you want to do is head back to your web mail. So I'm going to come to your Cpanel mail. This is Cpanel mail, right? So I want to come here and go to, I'm using run cube. I'm going to click on that, and that will take me back to the inbox of the mail. You can see the Gmail confirmation mail. It's already here. So double click on this to open, and now you see the code here. This is the code right here. I'm going to copy the code. I'm going to grab the code. I'll come back here and select the window, the pop-up window, and paste the code here. Now after pasting the code here, what you want to do next is click on verify. So I'm going to click on verify, and now you see that that is done. Now you can make this the default mail. Once you make the default mail, each time you click compose, you'll be mailing from that account. If it's not the default mail, you have to select to mail from the account. I think that is simple enough. Let me come again. If you want to make this Cpanel mail the default mail in that Gmail account, what you want to do is just click default mail. And when you click default mail, what it does is each time you click compose, you'll be mailing from the Cpanel mail. That will be the default mail. Now if you want to change to the Gmail, what you want to do is select here the drop down and choose your Gmail. Right, so whatever mail you make the default mail, that will be the primary mail each time you want to send a mail. If you want to change it, you have to click the drop down. Right, now after adding that, what you want to do is make sure you pull email from the Cpanel mail at interval, maybe 20-30 minutes. Right, so what you want to do, depending on the frequency of your mail reception, depending on how frequent you receive mails. Right, that is how Google is going to pull mail from your Cpanel mail to Gmail. All right, so what we want to do is come to this section where you see check mail from another account or from other accounts. So what we want to do is click add email. Now you want to put that same email address that you have here, which is your cPanel mail. Test this very email address, in your own case your email address, and once you copy that, you want to paste it here, you just type it right in. Then you want to click next. Now when you click next, it will bring you to this section. Just go ahead and click next again, and this will bring you here. What you need here is the full username, is the email address. So you want to paste the full username here. Then you want to grab the password again. In this case, this is the password I'm using. You enter your own password. You can type it right in here. Then you can leave this as mail dot the way it is, dot your domain name, or you can remove the mail dot and leave it at your domain.com. It will work fine, but you can leave it, just leave it at mail.certifyme.com, in your own case your own domain name. Now what you want to do is click leave a copy of the retrieved message on the server. What it means is that even if you delete a mail from Gmail, a copy will still be remaining in the server. That means there's a copy in the server, there's one in the Gmail account, right? Then click on label so that you can properly label the mails that are coming in. And now under the label, you can leave it like this to show that the mail is coming from the test at your domain name or your domain email, or you can just write a name to give it a proper name, depending on what you want. I will just leave it like this. I will remove it from archive, and I'm going to click add account. Now I'm going to wait for that to be added. Now it is added. You can see that checking mail. You can see checking mail. Google is pulling the mails from the server. Any mail that is there is going to pull it, and what we have here is just 2 mails for now. All right, so we have 2 mails here. Google is going to pull those 2 mails to this Gmail account. Now if you get to the inbox, if you click on inbox right now, you will see the 2 mails here already, right? There you can see the label, right? They have properly labeled. But to make the label pronounced, you cannot change the label color to make it pronounced. All right, so what you want to do is come to the label here, click on the settings icon and get the label, and you want to come to label color and select the color that you like. In this case, I'm going to select green. Now you see that the mail label are well pronounced for you to easily identify your cPanel mail that is added or that to your Gmail account. So that is how to configure or connect your cPanel mail to Gmail. If you like this video, if it helps you in any way, like the video, share it, and subscribe so that you can get notified each time we release a new video. Thank you.